Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to teach you about homemade drain cleaning supplies. If you have a drain that's clogged or you just want to clean out a garbage disposal or clean out your drains, if you have baking soda and vinegar, you can do it yourself for very cheap. What you want to do is have your vinegar opened before you dump the baking soda in, because immediately after you dump the baking soda in, just dump it down the drain. Immediately after that, you want to pour vinegar. And listen, you'll hear it fizzing. It sounds kind of like Rice Krispies. When you don't hear it fizzing anymore, that means it's ready for your hot water. You want to have a kettle of boiling water handy, so make sure to put that on the stove before you start this. And you're going to use this hot water just to rinse away the baking soda and vinegar, mixture. It turns into like a paste. And you may need to repeat this a few times. But drain unclogging cleaners and things like that, drain decloggers, are the most harmful things in your home as far as the toxicity being harmful to your family and your children. And once anything that you pour down the drain is going to end up in the water, and this is the thing that's most harmful to wildlife in the water. It's the most toxic when it is mixed in with the regular water that eventually we end up drinking. So be really wary of what you put down your drain. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is a little bit about homemade drain cleaners.